Today I'm gonna clean my grill. Got a lot of grease buildup on the cover too, the grates. I kind of scraped the bottom a little bit just to loosen it up. But I'm gonna use this Simple Green heavy duty barbecue and grill cleaner to see how good this works on it. Let me go ahead and take my grates out, and I'm gonna spray the inside of it first. Then I'll spray the grates. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's got a lot of grease buildup. But let me see how good this product works. Spraying some of this stuff on there. It says to leave about 8 to 10 minutes. A little bit longer if it's heavy buildup. As you can see, it's already starting to loosen up some of that grease. Let me switch hands. Let me spray some on the door too. I'm gonna spray some on the inside of my smoke box door and get some of that grease. I'm going to spray some on the grating. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, just to see it, let it work a little bit better. Spray the bottom of my water pan for my brisket. See if it cleans that off. Alright. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna spray a little bit more on it just to, before I start scrubbing it. Let it help out a little bit more. Let me start cleaning it. Some rags. See how good it cleans it. It seems to take it off pretty easy, and it just needs a little bit more scrubbing. But you can see it working. Let me finish cleaning it up and then I'll show an after video. See how good it cleans. That comes off pretty good. And it's been years since I cleaned it. Gonna have to scrub it a little bit more, spray a little bit more on it. I mean, it's years of buildup of that grease on there anyway. This seems to be taking off pretty good. See, some of this, the simple green cleaned it up pretty good. I just had to scrub and scrape some of the places. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean the outside. It's got a lot of rust on it. Get it ready to paint. I'll probably paint it tomorrow morning. I'm just going to go ahead and get it ready. Use some of that 100 grit sandpaper. Get most of that rust off. And just get it prepared for painting. I sanded it down. Got the door sanded, back part, little door, most of the inside. All that sanded down. What I'm gonna do is just wash it with soap and water and then get it ready to paint. Let it dry out first. Sand it down, washed, and ready to get painted. Get ready to paint my pit. I'm using this rust-oleum high heat paint for the barbecue. It's supposed to resist the heat up to 1200 degrees. And it's black. I'm gonna use these throwaway brushes. After I use it, I won't need it anymore. I'm just gonna start applying the paint. All it really needs is just one coat. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish painting this up, paint this pit, and then I'll show you when I'm finished with it. Show you how it's coming along pretty good. Painted the box. It's looking good. Coming along pretty good. Just gotta paint the inside a little bit and then finish the table on it. It's looking good. Here it is, I finished painting it. And it looks good. All the way around. Painted inside the firebox. Did the inside. A wooden table. Right here I got my compartments. Whenever I finish cooking, I'll put my meat in there to keep them warm. It stays next to the pit. It keeps it warm. I even had enough paint left over to paint this, my other small pit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel.